Hello, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you're not, thank you so much for your continued support and your comments. They really mean so much to me. And I am going to show you all. I had my SinglesSwag. I had shown you all one before. This is not a box I get monthly because I do feel like this box is overpriced, and I've stated that before. For what you get, I really do feel like this box is overpriced for me. Now, if money was not an option, I would probably get it because the items are useful, but it is normally $39.95. And that is just too much for me for boxes that I could take or, it's not, I could take or leave. It's not really my favorite box, but like I said, I love getting things and giving them away. There's girls that I know that cannot afford much that I've given things to for years, or a couple of years. And now, that I have my channel, I have giveaways, so there's that. So if money was not an option, yes, I would get this box because the things are useful. But money is an option, and I just don't see spending $40 for this box. I think it was 2 or 3 months ago I got one, and I did really like it. I do pick and choose. Usually I don't get this box, but they did send me an email last month saying that they were, I forget what the special was, but it was going to be half off, and that is a huge thing because usually it's only like 30 or 40% when they send me email and I look at the spoilers and I see a few. Okay, I had a problem there. I had to work it out. But I am right back, and I am unboxing my SinglesSwag. Like I said, they sent email out a couple months ago saying that they had half off of the next month's box. So I went ahead and got it because it makes the box $20. I've never paid the $39 for the box. To me, it's not worth it to me, but I know other people say they love the box, and the value is there. It's just I've never seen enough products that I really like. So let's get on with the box. The first thing is the dark chocolate peanut butter cups. Every month they do include some kind of little snack, and it says this retails for $4. It says move over sugar. Lily's will take it from here. Enjoy these creamy chocolate keto-friendly cups, botanically sweetened with stevia, less sugar, sweet life. Join Lily's on a journey to the sweet life. Save $1 on any product. Okay, now I do think that is overpriced for $4, but I'm willing to give that a try because we know dark chocolate is better for us than lighter chocolate. They've actually done some tests that prove a tiny bit of dark chocolate every day is actually healthy. And I did read a little bit of an article, I haven't finished it, earlier, that they're saying that a little bit of dark chocolate every day, grapes, and something else. What was it? Green tea. The article was claiming that they have now found out that if you drink a little bit of green tea, which I like green tea, a little bit of dark chocolate or grapes, that they are finding it is helping prevent us from getting COVID or helping us get over faster. Like I said, I haven't finished the article, but that is what the gist of it was. So the next thing is the crystal clear relaxing lavender bath fizzer. It's in the shape of a diamond. Isn't that cute? I almost think that I won't use that because it's so cute. I think I will just set it up on my shelf because that is just so cute. I do like bath bombs though. So let's find out what it says. It says that retails for $15 for this. I know bath bombs can be expensive, but that seems a bit high. It says crystal clear, relaxing lavender bath fizzer. Treat yourself to a day at the spa in the comfort of your home with this vegan luxury bath product that will help you relax and refresh. And then I got a candle. Let's see what it says about this. It says this retails for $18. Midnight Rose Scented Candle. This all-natural, slow-burning candle in a decorative tin has a clean and alluring floral and aromatic scent. So that's what it looks like. And that's what the inside looks like. It does smell clean. It does smell good. Very light. Nothing too harsh. Yeah, I like that. I love candles. It's kind of odd because I hate fire, terrified of fire, especially since I had a house fire. But I love candles. Now, I won't leave them lit if I have to leave a room. And then the next thing is So Susan Aquarella. I think that's how you pronounce that. It says this retails for $48. It says refresh, soothe, and soften your skin with this face and body serum. Infused with avocado oil, vegetable glycerin, and everlasting flower extract. The non-greasy treatment cream contains reparative elements to assist in the healing of stretch marks, signs of fatigue, and allow skin to retain more moisture. Okay. Okay, this is in a tube. I kind of like that if it's going to be for your body. And it does have a safety seal. I think I will use this on my body and see if it really does any good. No real strong smell. That's what it looks like. Let's see how fast it absorbs in the skin. Like I said, that the items are things I will use. It's just not things that I just have to have. But if money was not an issue, I would get the box. It's just money is an issue. Oh, brushes, set of facial brushes. Okay. And then the next thing is, it's a pretty good box. Skin Chemist Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump. Yeah, this is a pretty good box this time. Maybe the best one I've seen yet. I still don't know that I would pay $39 for it. Probably not, but still a good box. It says this retails for $32. Visibly improve the shape, texture, and volume of your lips with this all-in-one product, combining the benefits of lip gloss and lip balm with an active plumping effect for hydrated lips and a fuller pout. Antioxidant-rich vitamin E will fight inflammation and protect skin from damaging UV rays and free radicals. Okay, so y'all know I love lip products, so oh, okay, it comes in like a lip gloss tube. I will definitely give this a try. If I find that I really like it, I will let you all know. My lips is one of the things that I have that has bothered me because they are, I really have never liked the shape of my lips, and they are starting to get thinner. Don't like that. And then the next thing is a Violet Harper Isla layered necklace plus a black druzzy earring set. Retails for $58. And if you've watched any of the unboxings on this, they do really, to me and to most people I've watched, they really mark their earrings and their jewelry up way more than what most people would pay for it. Make a statement with this fun, versatile, gold-plated necklace plus black square druzzy earrings set, perfect for dressing up or down. Day or night, necklace measures 16 inches with a 4-inch extender. So it comes in a little box. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, those are actually pretty cute. I could see that being, okay, I like this. The ones last month I did not really care for, but it is a 3 chains. I actually really like ones that are like this. So that's cute. Still don't see what's so special about it that makes it worth $58, but cute. I will probably try those. And then we got Good Vibes, How Self-Love is the Key to Unlocking Your Greatness. Good Vibes, Good Life by Vex King. And yeah, they do, some months come with a book. Actually, I do like their choices. The months that I've gotten a book from them, I have really liked the choices that they sent. It says that retails for $18. It says, be the best version of you that you can be. How can you learn to truly love yourself? How can you transform negative emotions into positive ones? Is it possible to find lasting happiness? In this book, author and Instagram guru Vex King answers all of these questions and more. Okay, and we got one more thing. It is Pivotal Cosmetics 4-piece facial brush set. Retails for $24. Ensure your look is always on point at home or on the go with this 4-piece essential brush set featuring a blush brush, a fan brush, blender brush, and a double-sided brush combo. Okay, so let's pull these out. They come in the box like this, and they look like that. I don't think I'm going to touch these because I think after Christmas, when I do have more giveaways, which I may start before then, but it'll be after Christmas before I finish them. I think I'm going to add this to one of the other giveaways that the ones that I had on the box. I think I'm going to add this to those because there's a couple palettes in it that I'm going to put in a giveaway, and that would make it better. So again, this says this box retails for $217. And like I said, I got the email saying that they had a half off, so I went ahead and got it. So for the $20, which is normally $39, I got the brush set, the diamond shaped fizzer thing, that's what they call it. Oops, the candle that I really do like. I think it's adorable. I love little things like this. And I do like that smell. Very faint, nothing too harsh. And then the serum, the book, the necklace and earrings, and the lip plumper stuff. Is that it? I think that was it. So that's not a bad box for, especially for $20. Really good box for $20. What do you all think? I think I've gotten this box several times when I've seen that they were having a good sale, like, you know, 30 or 40% off. Never as good as 50% off. And this probably is my favorite one. I really did like one I got not long ago with the book and the scarf, but I still think overall this is probably the better box. So what do you all think? Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you think the box is worth $39? Like I said, I think this is probably the best box that I have gotten from them, but still, I would probably pay $39. Like I said, if money was not an issue, I would. I don't know that I would pay $39 with money being an issue for this particular box, because I do have to spend wisely, and that's a lot of money. So let me know what you all think. Love you guys. See you very soon. Bye bye.